Preparations for maintenance. Please take the following actions. Set the insulation resistance protection threshold to the minimum value. Send a shutdown command on the app. Power off the device. Power on the device. Second, check that the PE cable between the PV array and the inverter is correctly connected. Third, measure the resistance between the positive and negative PV terminals and the ground, respectively. Ensure that the insulation resistance is greater than 1 megaohm. Good job, well done!